Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your VRBO account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type in vrbo.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official VRBO website where you can log into your account by clicking on the login button at the top section and then using your login credentials. Now, once you are logged in, you can simply click on your profile name at the top right corner and from the drop-down menu, click on My Profile. This will then take you into your profile settings page where you will find various different options. Now, in order to delete your account, click on the settings option at the left side and then from the settings page, scroll all the way down and you will find the delete account option underneath account management. If you click on this, you will be asked to confirm whether you want to delete your account and you might be asked to enter your password to confirm your identity as well. After doing both of these, you can simply go ahead and confirm your decision and your account on VRBO will be deleted permanently. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on VRBO. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.